Alright guys, Curtis Beard here, Hunter Safety Products, showing you how to install one of our XP 1000 front bucket seats using the stock hardware, stock sliders, everything else. I got the pieces already off of the stock seat to try to shorten up this video. These U-nuts come with every buckets. Slide them onto your slider plate, all four of them first, just a little bit easier this way. Slide your slider in with your seat upside down here on a nice piece of carpet or towel or a rag, whatever. Slide one end all the way so we can get the base plate in. Slide it underneath the other 1-inch square tube here. Get all your holes to line up. Watch out, be careful for everything else. Your strings, don't poke a hole in your seat cover. Using a number 27 Torx bit. Using the factory bolts. Always do it. Just start them. No power tools. Two of them. Don't forget the other side. The fourth one here, last one. Once you get them started, just use a drill. Don't over tighten them. Don't get too excited. Take your time. Now for your base plate, the lever, sliding it over, it helps you get this on a little bit easier. Once again, your stock bolts, you start them manually into the nut zerks here. I always get them started, that way you don't strip nothing, get them cross-threaded, and then you're in trouble. Use your drill, get them snug, don't over tighten them again. The quick release handle. Get it through, you're done. It's pretty damn simple. Throw it in your seat, go for a cruise, enjoy the comfort, quality, Hunter Safety Products. Alright guys, we're back. Got the seat installed, locked into place. Logo on the bottom, custom embroidery as well on the headrest. Any logo you guys want. Everything fits fine. Stock roll cage. Stock doors, fits perfect. Got your quick release on the back. Hope this clears up some problems or issues installing the seats or the factory sliders. If you have any more questions, we're all here. We're here to help you guys out. Best customer service, www.huntersafetyproducts.com. Enjoy. Go online, custom build your seat, see them before you guys buy them. The best in the industry, a Beard family product.